Minsan, ang pinakamabilis na daan pauwi ay ang daan na hinding-hindi mo na matatakasan. I was driving home late from Clark around 2 a.m. Waze suggested a faster route through a narrow, tree-lined road in Pampanga. Biglang bumigat yung steering wheel. Then, my phone's AI assistant said, "In 100 meters, please stop and let her out." I was alone in the car, but when I looked at the rearview mirror, may nakita akong refleksyon ng babaeng punong-puno ng putik ang mukha, nakaupo sa backseat. She whispered, "Dito na ako." Pagtingin ko sa backseat, wala na siya. Pero hanggang ngayon, may bakas pa rin ng putik sa upuan ko na hindi maalis-alis. At amoy lupa pa rin ang buong sasakyan.